This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alissa Nead. Lovely home just waiting for you. All the heavy items have recently been replaced: newer roof, heat pump, kitchen appliances, gutters. You will enjoy granite counters, 9-foot ceilings, updated baths, one with jetted tub, crown molding, wood floors. Formal dining room with columns. There is also a spacious breakfast nook off the delightful kitchen. Private patio and Arkansas room, great for entertaining or just relaxing. Backs to trees and is very private. For more information, review the details below.